All right, today we're talking about the two most popular AI protocols for cows and heifers. This is in the back of an AI catalog. And so on the left side here, all these protocols are for heifers, and these are the cow protocols. The number one popular for heifers is this. It's a 7-day co-sync plus cedar. And for the cows, it's 7-day co-sync plus cedar. They're basically the same thing. The only difference is when you perform the AI. So this is 54 plus or minus 2 hours. And this is 60 to 66 hours. That's the only difference between the two. So let's explain how this works. So we're going to, first thing we do is insert a cedar into the cow. And you want to do that early in the morning, so you get a full 7 days of the cedar being inserted into the cow. So I would insert this in the morning, and you give the shot of GRNH at the same time you insert the cedar. So right here, there's a list of chemicals that would work for GnRH. The most popular one, and the one I use, is cisterellin. So you insert the cedar, you give a shot of GnRH, and you can get these from your vet, all these chemicals here. And you wait 7 days, and then you take the cedar out, and then you get a shot of PG, which chemicals of PG could be right here. The one most people use is lutulase. So you give a shot of lutulase, and then after the shot of lutulase is what starts the timer. So 60 to 66 hours after you give the shot of lutulase, that is when you AI, and then you give another shot of GnRH at the time of AI. So you give a shot of lutulase, 60 to 66 hours, you give the GnRH and you AI. So same thing here, okay? The difference is the time. You can not give a little bit shorter time here. So also another good thing to do is that all these, the ones that don't get AI'd, is that they'll come back in heat 18 to 21 days later after this. And there's other things in here like heat detecting. So you can get more AIs bred. So and then you go 18 to 21 days later. So like 17 days, 16 or 17 days, I put like a heat patch on them. And I also have another YouTube video on heat detecting. So maybe I'll put a link in that, or go find it on my channel for a heat detect. So, and then you can get more AIs, more cows or heifers bred AI if you heat detect after, 18 to 21 days later after this, you get a second chance at getting a bred AI. So that right there is the two most popular AI protocols. And also another good thing about these is that if you have like a job, you can't sit and watch and heat detect them all, you're going to be able to AI them. Plus, and then other AI protocols in here, like, see, sometimes if you heat detect, not all of them come in heat. Like some non-responders, they don't come in heat all the time. So for this, you're going to for sure get to AI them. But there is also, if you get a natural heat, you usually get higher conception rates off like a natural heat. And then if you just give like, use these up here and they come in heat with the shots, you probably get 70% conception rates on natural heat, 60% off of this. And you might get like 50% conception rates off of this. Okay, but if you do this and then you do natural heat, you're gonna get some pretty good conception rates. So there we go. It's just a quick talk on some AI protocols for cows. So make sure you smash that subscribe button and like the video. And thanks for watching.